Toby. Toby, look up here. Look.
Which means we need to
What are you
find out
doing?
what forgery is missing.
What are you
How?
doing?
It said the original is nowhere to be found.
Huh?
And we're comparing the two.
Only partially true.
What do you think you're doing? Are you chewing a toy again? Hmm.